hari Kamis 1 Maret ya 2012. Rain just finished falling all around the Jakarta, and now I'm at the mayor office in South Jakarta. In front of it, the traffic jam is, usually Jakarta after raining is always traffic jam, and and now that is what I'm facing now. I'm on the way to Cikajang to find some rawon. Rawon is East Java ethnic food. It's like soup or soto, something like that. But that with black sauce. I will take a picture later on where you can see it. I'm driving myself, smoking gudang garam filter, and you can also hear I'm listening to the El Divo, my favorite singers. Well, that's it. I'm going to talk to you later, another time, next time. Good afternoon and have a great day.